Do you stand by your statement that Captain Stransky was not with the company?
Would it be possible for me to get my answer in 3 or 4 days, sir?
Did you see Stransky or not? Here we go, Trebek. You're no longer needed. What in God's name has got into you? This is your chance. You're the only person that stands between Stransky and his Iron Cross. And you could be called as a primary witness against him in a court of honor.
My differences with Captain Stransky are a personal matter.
Now listen to me. You know that I've always shown a great deal of understanding for you, but I'm becoming tired of battling with your superiors.
I never asked you to.
Didn't ask me to? You never asked me to. Are you out of your mind?
Steiner, why are you so ungrateful?
What do I have to be grateful for, Captain? Your tolerance? You think that just because you and Colonel Brandt are more enlightened than most officers that I hate you any less? I hate all officers. All the Stranskys, all the Trebegs, all the Iron Cross scavengers in the whole German army.
Have you any idea what you're saying?
Do you know how much I hate this uniform? And everything it stands for? God.
Get out. Please just get out.
Regimental headquarters?